We are sip the heli for the day, baby. Bad man, we no stray, baby. Oops, I done fell for your way, baby. I know, girl, but can I know from the first time, the first.
Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing fine. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be showing you guys this glossy look that I created in like 3 hours just because I had to go get my freaking battery that it died. It actually burnt out or something, so it was just like not working for me while I was recording. So yeah, if you guys want to know how to get this glossy look, then keep on watching. First, I'm gonna go ahead and start with my little clip-ins. I lost one, so I guess one will have to do. And I'm so in love with this wig. I just got it from Amazon. If you guys didn't know, I normally don't use primers just because it makes my face feel so different and I'm just not used to that. I usually use spray primers or just facial sprays just because it makes me feel so fresh, even though maybe it might make me break out, but I've been doing like so much better right now just because I stopped my monthly period, and that's why I get it normally before and after, like a couple of days, like a day after or before, but no biggie. I mean, acne is a big thing and I have in-prone skin, which is like I have inside pimples and they just become so huge. Like this one in my forehead, it's like coming a big bump, but I guess, you know, that's why I have my healthy drinks. Like these smell good and taste so fresh. Like, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with my Mario's facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. Ew, I just ate some. I have seen a big difference in my skin from a chest up, and I don't know, like, look, it's a different color. Like, I am so pale around my arms and legs, and then my body is just like a different color. Like, it's not even. I'm gonna go ahead and mix these two foundations. This one is in the color Santa Fe, and this one's in the color Tawny, and I do have to try a new color on this one because I'm in love with the NARS foundation. See, like this one is like literally so white for me, but then when I mix them, it's like okay. But if I only put the Tawny one, I look so dark, like super dark. Went ahead and put a little bit on my MAC brush, foundation brush, and this one is in 170. This is literally the only brush I like from MAC. So I had to go to the store and get a new battery. I went to the store like this. So before that happened, I did some really light shadow right here. I went ahead and went with my Modern Renaissance palette. Use the burnt orange right here. I think I'm gonna apply some a little bit more. Oh my god, it was like a hassle. My battery broke. Like it wouldn't charge or anything. So while I was filming, it just went dead on me and I went to go get a new one. So much better now. Now I am going to take the color Love Letter right here. I have a limit of brushes right now because my friend went to Cali. I was like, dang it, now I have to use a limited of brushes. This one's from the Naked Smoky palette, so yeah. And I'm not really like a big like brush spending person. We're gonna blend it out with the same brush and kind of go over that and blend it more. Now I'm going to take this Pearl Varnish Studio Eye Gloss by MAC, and this is actually my first time using it, so it's like brand new. Actually, I did my finger there once just to feel it, so oh my god, so gloss, like sticky. I've never done a glossy look before, so let's see how this turns out. I'm gonna go ahead and take it with my finger and apply some on top. Oh my god. There's someone on the side and it's probably staring at me. So we're just gonna light all over. And it actually makes your eyeshadow get lighter, so now that my eyes are glossy, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just brighten up the bottom of my eyes a little bit more. So like right there, and then in the center of my nose. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in with my sponge. I'm gonna go ahead and use my MAC Insta Curl Lash Mascara. Now using my Too Faced medium bronzer and bronzing my face up. I went ahead and applied my favorite highlighter palette at the time, which is the Babe in Paradise Morphe collaboration with Bratman, and I use color Mahu. Literally my favorite colors are Get Laid and Vacation. This is by far the best highlighter in Morphe, and I absolutely love it. If you guys don't have it yet, you guys should really get it. There's never too much highlighter. Focus. Focus. Okay. So these are my ultimate custom made favorite lashes, and if you guys get your makeup done by me, I definitely use these. These are the ones I always use. I'm just gonna apply my brother's hair on my eyelid. Just apply these. I don't know if it's gonna stick since I am using gloss on my lid. Oh, there's like hair. This wig does shed a lot though, but it's cute. I'm now going to apply the same color highlighter, which is Mahu, and apply it in the center of my eye. And if you guys notice, I did not set my face just because I want this to be like a glowy, glossy look. I went to Chick-fil-A to get the shake. I swear I'm always drinking something. For the lips, I'm going to be using my favorite gloss, and this one's the Butterscotch Lip Gloss by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I think we need some blush action. I'm gonna go ahead in with my Maui and Out using my BH Cosmetics number 3 brush. Last but not least, we're gonna go ahead with my Fix Plus spray. They had a discount on these at Ulta on April the 7th, and you guys know me, I ordered it online. I think it was like $11. The original price is like $22. So that was the end of my video, and if you guys enjoyed this video, why not just subscribe right now? Like, you know? Make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!